50%. 25. 0.
Wind shear. Wind shear.
Target
Wind
locked.
shear.
Better too hot than stalling, because I imagine that one will tip off.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
one of the reviews I read of that XS was everything was all fives except the hard landing gear.
Did the point come off?
No, point's still there.
Point is still on it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I was worried about that too.
50%.
Oh, that one was way better than the last one.
Gear up.
The way they're playing on. Pretty cool.
In 29 seconds. 50%.
Just like the little one though, you can't let it get underpowered. It will tip.
50%. 0.
But I think it stays in the air better than the little one.
Yeah. More wing area.
25%. 50%.
Yeah, you got it.
25%. 0.
Oops. Oh, you stop it.
You got it. Area landing, it's okay. Except
You got that. Oh. There you go. Little flare. Oops.
there you go.
Gear up. 25%. 50%. Percent. 50%.
Perfect vertical.
0. 50%. 50%. 0. 25%. 0. 20. 0. Percent. Gear up.
Alright.
Positive rate. Gear up.
What the hell is this positive
Time remaining
rate
3
stuff?
minutes. Flaps up.
You don't put the gear up unless you have a positive rate.
$25. 50%. 25%. 50%. 25%. 50%. 1 minute. 50%, 0. 25%, 50%, 55%, 0.
See? Flies just like your other one. There you go. For 50%. 0. 25%. 50%. 50%, 25%, 50%, 0. 20 warning, 20, 0, 20, 0, 25%, 0.